Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we got another episode of Simple and Effective Tech. We got the Spigen ArcDock Pro docking station. Now you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $300. Now this is not some little cheap USB hub. This is for your serious desktop setups. All right, so let's check this one out. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes.
White Shoes,
I love.
calm down. Now I'm going to make this video super quick, so let's go ahead and run through this. Now this is the Spigen ArcDock Pro docking station. This is 14-in-1. Now to support your monitors, 8K at 30 Hertz. This is 96 watts, power delivery 3.0, okay? You got Thunderbolts, 40 gigabits. You got micro SD cards and SD, okay, 4.0. You got 2.5 gigabit internet, okay, Ethernet, let me say that correctly. Okay, you got a 3.5 headset. There's your USB-A, okay, 10 gigabits. You got USB Type-C. You got Thunderbolts. There's your power button. Okay, it comes with the AC cable, 150 watt adapter. This is your docking station, USB Type-C cables. Okay, there's your DC in. Now check this out. 2 display ports. 8K at 30 Hertz. You got HDMI, 8K at 30 Hertz. You got 2 USB-As and your Ethernet. Okay, 14-in-1. Like I said, you can find docking stations online for $50-$60, but if you're serious about your setup and you want that serious quality, you're gonna have to spend some serious money. Okay, so let's check this out. Now I'm in the process of updating my office, so this is the kind of stuff that I like. One more, right. Here we go. Right. Okay. Let's check this out. Okay, not too big and heavy. It looks actually big and heavier inside of the box. But when you take it out, beautiful. That nice cold aluminum on the top. Okay, shoes, calm down, bro. Peel that little stick off. Okay, so this is gonna be your power button. There's all your ports. Okay, on the bottom, you got your 4 rubber stoppers. That's gonna keep it in place. Okay, now this is what was heavy, this big charging brick. Now, but you're gonna need that. You're gonna need this for your power. Let's see what else you get. Okay, use your books and shit, plug them and file them. Look at the size of this cable. Like I said, this is for your serious desktop setup. And this is the rest of the plug. The plug is bigger than the hub. Okay, now it comes with your cable management. Let's go ahead and plug this in real quick. Okay, so before we plug this in, let me just show you what it looks like up close. There's your DC. There's your display ports, HDMI, USB-A, Ethernet. Okay, there's your power button, Thunderbolts, USB Type-C, more USB-A, 3.5. You got micro SD card and big boy SD card. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug this in. Okay, let's hit the power button. Okay, that turned on. Now I'm gonna plug one end into my laptop. As you can see, the laptop is charging up. Now I'm gonna plug in my mouse. And as you can see, the mouse is working. You see it? Mouse is working. And we're getting battery charge. Okay, now, of course, y'all can't see that, but you see it's charging up. Now, like I said, I'm going to keep this video nice and sweet. As you can see, you got the blue light for the power. Now, just to make sure that it works, I'm going to turn it off. And as you can see, my mouse stopped working. Turn it back on. Okay, we got the blue light. You're the bloom bloom. Okay, now my mouse is back. And we in the game. So like I said, simple and effective tech. Now I don't have to test out all of these ports. You already know. But if you plan on upgrading your desktop setup, this is something that you want to get because look at all of these ports. And the build quality on this is excellent. Not to mention, let me go ahead and unplug this. Look at the power delivery on this. This is beast mode right here. Now I'm getting ready to drop this in my luggage and keep it moving. Let's wrap this up. Now, before I get out of here, there's 2 more products that I want to show y'all. I wasn't planning on reviewing, but as I'm packing my tech bag, I started playing around with these. I love these. First of all, I got a new mouse. I got the Logitech MX Master 3S. Now this was $100. First of all, the ergonomics of this, incredible. It fits perfectly in your hands. It has these little ridges. It just glides so smooth, and it clicks. It feels perfect. Now you can use this with the USB, wirelessly, or it comes with the cable, so you can use it wired. So you don't got to worry about it running out of power. This is my new favorite mouse, okay? I'm telling you, the way it rocks on the table, the wheels. But again, the ergonomics is just a perfect mouse. $100. And next, low key, this is one of my other clutch products. This is the Spigen MagSafe tripod. Now this was $30. Now I was playing around with my Galaxy Book and I had to do a video chat. Check this out. With the Galaxy Book, you can use your Galaxy front-facing camera as the webcam. So I said, oh, let me try this tripod out. So you open this up. Now I can just lean it like this if I want. MagSafe it on the back and just rock out like this. Or you can turn it into a full-fledged tripod. Look at this. And have your phone just like that. This is so clutch. Now, if you go to dinner or you're trying to make your little content, like I'm getting ready to be on vacation, so of course I'm gonna have to go on Instagram Live and talk my shit. You have your phone on the table like this. You set it up and rock out. And the thing I like about it, it's a higher level than if you use the case. If you use the case with a MagSafe like this, you see it's a little bit lower. This is actually gonna make your phone stand up higher. Okay, so when you're at that dinner table or you're sitting around and, at the bar, whatever you're doing, look how high you could get the phone to stand up. Just like that. And then you could tilt it back at an angle. So when I go to dinner, I'm going to have it like this, talk my shit. This is pretty dope. $30 on this, and then when you're done, put it right on the back and magnetize it to your MagSafe. Now, this is going to work on Android MagSafe and, of course, on Apple iPhones. $30. Let's keep it moving. All right, so this is the Spigen ArcDock Pro docking station. Like I said, this one is $300, but this is big boy status. Now, on a side note, a lot of people have been telling me they want me to do more short videos where I just show y'all a product, talk about it real quick, test it out, and keep it moving. So that's what I'm going to start doing. I'm going to keep doing my long videos, but every now and then I'm going to drop some short update videos and some short product videos just to keep everything nice and smooth. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know. Stream gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing, I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise. Spock here.
Spock, one to beam up. Energize.
We're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facebook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.